Thank you for your interest in this property. If this property doesn't interest you, we can show you any property listed with any company. This 3-bedroom Baxter Townhome boasts a large master bedroom with full private bathroom and private deck. There is a total of 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and laundry upstairs. The main level features a living room with gas fireplace, open kitchen and dining area, kitchen pantry, spacious patio, guest bathroom, and attached 2-car garage. The association takes care of the outside and is located on a walking/biking path. The home could use some TLC, making this a great deal for a first-time home buyer looking to build some equity or an investment property.